Alright guys, hey, back again, iPhone Pro 24 here. Today we have something very special in this package. This is from Boosted USA.
It says Boosted USA. What is in it?
I believe we've got the 105's in here. So if we cut this open, a little bit of tape shouldn't be an issue because, you know, tape isn't really something I specialize with, but
You found a review.
wow, look at that.
Do you like it?
Yeah, this is nice. So I currently have a boosted version 2, and I have the boosted Stratus 85mm wheels on from the boosted Stealth. And I'm gonna upgrade from those to these, which is gonna be really nice because my board will go a lot faster. Oh yeah, there are stickers that come with this. This is nice. Yeah.
Okay, this is the back of the box. We have the soft cushioned ride. We have we have just the Boosted logo over there. We got what's included. We have the 2 drive wheels, the 2 drive pulley wheels, and the 2 front wheels, and then this is what it looks like on the front. So let's go unbox them in here. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing them. Hold it like that.
Alright, there we go. Okay, so we're unboxing. And wow.
These are the wheels?
Yes, these are the brand new wheels that have come from the factory from Boosted USA.
Tell me what you think of them.
They're very, very big. Size difference, these, it's pretty big size difference from the Boosted Stealth wheels. Hey guys, iPhone Pro 24. I'm here to talk about the 24 hours of ownership with the Boosted 105's and the previous experience I've had.
This is what the wheels look like. They are amazing looking wheels. This is what they look like. It's on Alex's Boosted V2 Dual Plus extended range. You want to talk about the wheels?
Yeah, so I had 85mm, I believe. I think 85 or 80mm wheels on my board before I took ownership of these. So let's flip the board over and let's see what we got here. So we have a bigger contact patch on the wheels to start, which we have these like from all the way from the edge of the wheel here to all the way over here. We have a big contact patch.
See, look, you have like this these little holes on the wheel.
Which this allows for more stability when you're going over big bumps or hills. You're going to be feeling more stable, you're going to be feeling more safe on your board, so you can go faster, which my board now accelerates to a top of 27 miles an hour versus the 22 with the standard 85s. Another thing to note is that they're very quiet, and they make my motors sound a lot quieter.
You want to tell them about your motors?
Yeah, the issue with my motors is there is one motor that I do need to replace, and it's because the V2 was back 2016, so it's quite old. I don't know when the seller that I bought this from had this. I don't know when she bought it, but I was happy I was able to buy it. But I do have to replace my motors, and I'm ordering new belts from the Boosted guys to replace the standard belts on here. To get brand new belts, I'm gonna eventually replace these. But overall, the 105's has been holding up very nicely. So we're going to be doing top speed tests. We're going to be doing braking tests. We're going to be
all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get rolling. Let's boot this baby up and get her paired and stuff. Board's on. You want to tell anything about battery life versus?
The battery life with the 105's has been a little different than usual.
You want to tell them what's happening with mine?
Yesterday we were riding. Joey has his 105's on his Boosted Stealth, and he overheated his battery, which took, let's say, 1 to 2 hours to start charging. He almost had to contact Boosted and ship his board out to them because he may have needed another ESC new battery because the battery was so hot and it wasn't charging properly. Once the battery doesn't charge properly, it'll communicate to the ESC that it's not charging properly and it will not charge. You'll need to order a new ESC for the board if this does keep happening, which in this case he didn't have to, he got lucky. But in overall, guys, don't ride your board to the full at all. Like, you can ride it to the full, but don't ride it all the time like that, because you're going to wear out your battery, you're going to wear out your ESC, and your motors are going to get extremely hot. This is also another toll factor that you do have to realize and take note of when you're riding with 105's. They consume more battery life. They're not going to get you as much range. There's a whole variety of things that the 105's are going to do that's going to help you, and they may hurt you. So you just want to look out for those.
Wait, let me zoom into the app.
So we do have the Waze app open to track my speed. And we're going to be doing a top speed test on the board.
Start off, go. He is all the way down there. All the way down there. All the way down there. Here he comes back. Okay.
The top speed of the boosted board on our test was 29 miles an hour. Alright guys, this is going to be it to conclude today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and subscribe to JB Tech Reviews. Link to his channel will be in the description.